Hello, my name is Teacher Paula, and I'm a teacher with VIP Kid. I have a YouTube channel that has hit 200 subscribers, and I said when I hit 200, I was going to be giving away this really cute rat dino. So I will be giving him away. Also, when I hit 100 subscribers, the person who won never got a hold of me to claim her dino. So I'm also going to be giving him away too. So not only one, but two for 100 subscribers, for 200 subscribers, and if I can reach 300 subscribers by the time I go live on Saturday, I'm also going to be giving away a Good Fortune box. Yes, I'm already close to 300. When I looked before I started this, I was at 274. That's not far, so between now and Saturday, I only need 26 more subscribers, and I'll be giving away a dino, a rat dino, and a Good Fortune box. So, if you are not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you Saturday at the live for the giveaway. Now, how do you enter? That's a good question. So the question of the day is, what is your favorite prop? So to be entered into the drawing for any of the three prizes, drop your name below in the comments along with what your favorite prop is. Name and prop. You'll be entered in the drawing. Then I will do that on Saturday at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time, live right here. I hope to see you there. Thank you. Bye-bye.